Hello, friendly Pinoys of San Antonio. My name is Chanel Ramondo, and today is December 27, 2020. We are here at the opening of Jollibee in San Antonio, Texas. This is our beloved fast food restaurant from the Philippines, and we've been waiting for it for so long. If you don't know about the Jollibee and its history, it was created in 1980. It was originally started as an ice cream parlor and has quickly grown as an amazing fast food restaurant all around the world. What is amazing about the mascot is the fact that it epitomizes the optimism of the Filipinos. And because it's always, even though it's always busy, it's constantly happy. And I feel after this year that we've had in 2020, we needed a restaurant like this to bring that positivity, that optimism going into 2021. So we are really excited because there's a huge line of all of these Jollibee fans. They've been waiting from 6 in the morning, maybe earlier, and this actually spanning to multiple parking lots today. There have been so many people who are ready to satisfy their Jollibee cravings, such as the famous Chickenjoy, that amazing mango pie, and all of the other delicious items such as Filipino spaghetti. So coming from you, from San Antonio, Texas, we can't wait to see all of the other people who come and enjoy our Jollibee here.
Ooh.
My name is Chanel, and I'm at the back of Jollibee now, towards the end of the drive-thru. I was actually able to get one of the menus here. It says that it's for call and pick up drive-thru orders only. So how it works is that you call this number, you place your order, and they will text you when your order is ready. So that's one of those hacks to get your Jollibee order in a timely manner. Here is the other side of our favorite Jollibee items here, including our Jollibee Chickenjoy, our burger, steak, Jolly Kitty meals, yum burgers that everyone loves, Palabok Fiesta, and other sides. So this is also a huge line. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a line that actually expands all the way to the other parking lot in San Antonio. That's how much people love Jollibee. And this is probably going to go on for the rest of the day, and I don't know, maybe more days or weeks to come because everyone loves Jollibee. Hello, my friendly Pinoys of San Antonio. We are at the opening of Jollibee in San Antonio, and today I have a Jollibee fan with me. I am going to interview him and see what he has ordered today for his Jollibee order.
Oh, that's a good question. I actually put in a huge order for this one stomach, and I'm really excited that they're here. I got a bucket family and it comes with a family spaghetti, and I got 3 mango pies, and I got the burger, and I got, I can't pronounce it. It's like
the noodles?
It's the rice noodle.
Palabok?
Yeah, I've never had
He got pancit palabok, which is they call it fiesta noodles, but we Filipinos know it's pancit palabok.
Fiesta noodles?
Yes, under menu it's fiesta noodles.
Okay, and I got a lot of food. I got $70 worth of food, and I figure I could put it in the freezer.
So what was your life hack for getting your Jollibee order? Did you call in? How are you enjoying yourself this morning while you're waiting for your order?
Yeah, I believe in not standing in lines if you don't have to, and I don't mean by cutting the line. I mean call in and just wait and get a coffee and just hang out while everybody else is in line, which is what I did.
So are they going to call you when your order is ready?
Even better, they text me.
They're going to text you, so we're ready in 2020 to do that curbside pickup.
Yep, it's really, really well done.
And have you had Jollibee before?
I have never had Jollibee before, and I've never been to the Philippines, and I want to go to the Philippines, and I'm going to have Jollibee today.
What on the menu are you most excited to try today? What is the first thing you're going to eat?
I think the first thing I'm going to try is the spaghetti's been hyped up.
Filipino spaghetti.
Yeah, Mike Chen, he loves that's how I found out about this. He loves the spaghetti, and a buddy of mine also said he loves the spaghetti.
That's amazing. Well, I appreciate your time. I can't wait to have you share your experience with us. Check us out on Facebook and then let us know how you love Jollibee.
Thank you.
It is 11 a.m. We are still here at Jollibee and the line is getting even longer. I don't know if you can see here, but if you pan out there, the line has panned all the way to the next parking lot across the street. So we have a lot of people waiting for their Jollibee Chickenjoy. We are also here. There is a Filipino car meetup behind me too. So it's also cars and Filipino food. We're here with the car meet people, and here are some of the vehicles here. I'm gonna go get ready and interview some of the car fans and Jollibee fans. Hello, sir. Which
Yo.
one is your car?
Right there.
What's the make and model?
Toyota Celica.
Toyota Celica?
Yeah.
Excellent. Are you also going to order Jollibee today?
Of course I am.
What are you going to order?
Chickenjoy.
Chickenjoy?
Yeah.
Have you had Jollibee before?
Oh yes, that's my favorite.
Yes?
Yeah.
Anything else on the menu that you really want to get today?
No, just Chickenjoy.
Just Chickenjoy?
Just Chickenjoy.
The one and only,
The
right?
one and only.
Excellent.
Oh, and gravy.
And gravy?
Gravy, yeah. I'm a fan of
Okay,
that.
so are you going to put the gravy on the chicken or?
Yeah. I'm gonna
Always,
put that on
right?
Chicken. Yeah, always.
Perfect, excellent. I'm here with another car fan and Jollibee fan. Sir, what is your name and what is the vehicle that you have today?
I'm Jojo.
Jojo?
So I have my BMW 328i.
Okay, nice.
So I've been here. I've been waiting for my food.
What
I'm
did you
hungry now.
order today?
Plan to get some bucket, chicken bucket. Or what you call that? Jollibee bucket,
Chickenjoy?
Chickenjoy bucket,
Okay.
and mango peach pie and a burger steak.
A yum burger
Yeah, yum burger.
or a burger steak?
Uh-huh.
Oh, excellent. Have you had Jollibee before?
Yeah, we always go to Houston, but now it's in here, so it's good.
Are you from San Antonio?
Yeah, I'm from San Antonio.
Are you excited that we have a location? You don't have to drive to Houston anymore?
Yeah, hell yeah. It's close to my work, and I can easily get some Jollibee for my wife.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm here with another car fan and Jollibee fan. Sir, what is your name and the make and model of your car?
Jason Arance, this is my daughter Jamie Lynn Arance, and it's a 2004 RSX Type S.
All right. Can you give us a little tour of your car here? You have a nice setup.
I just moved to San Antonio. Back in California, we couldn't do much to our cars because I didn't want to get in trouble. So here in San Antonio, I did a little more. So I have the spoon exhaust going all the way to the front, and installed some stainless steel headers. Just a fun car. I've had it since I graduated high school.
Including the setup back
The
here.
setup here is a little DJ set. Just, with COVID, it's great to have a party on the go. So that's what we did here. And
Have you had parties so far with your vehicle? Go out, do a
just
car
little
meet like
meets-
this?
Just little meets here and there, and
Mhm.
just for nice, calm vibes is what we look for.
Excellent. Now, because Jollibee is opening today, are you going to order some Jollibee?
Everything on the menu, at least once.
Have you had Jollibee before?
I did younger growing up. I usually stick with the spaghetti and of course a bucket of chicken, but I see they have a spicy chicken sandwich here. I never seen that before. So
Are you going to order that today, or are you going to
what I
stick with
want.
the classic?
that's what I'm gonna go with.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.